Okay, everyone, thanks for joining in. It's the 11-12 Panini Certified. The last team that I played anyway was the Winnipeg Jets, October 11th at 7:59. And the box number 93898-490. And the time is Friday, October 11th at 9:58. Oh, same stuff on tomorrow, right, guys? And I'm probably gonna put a case of this on for next weekend. I'll list it tonight or tomorrow, buy it mails. Whenever teams aren't sold by, Thursday, Friday, I'll put in an auction for a couple days. So I think what I'll do is I'll do the certified case on next Sunday, and I'll do the titanium case on Saturday night. So anyway, I'll get to this one now. $93898-490 is a sealed box, of course. Okay. First hit for the Philadelphia Flyers, Mirror Blue Immortals, Eric Lindros, 82.99 Lindros. Oh. These. We have a redemption there for a second. This one is Certified Potential Materials, Prime Signatures, card number 1. Give me a second here and we'll see if this is Certified Potential Materials, Prime Signature, card number 1. So I guess it'd be just the Certified Potential. This one's Materials, it says on the redemption card. I guess it's the same thing, it's just a parallel. I will double check it. This here says card number 1's Taylor Hall. So I'm pretty sure that's the card, even though it doesn't say jersey, their signature or nothing. We'll check it out, make sure it is Hall. But if it is, nice hit for the Oilers. Yeah, it must be. Alright, that one's for the Oilers. And we got Certified Gold Team, Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks. That numbered. All days. Oh, the New Jersey Devils, Tyus Tiddenby, Fabric of the Game. $303, $399. Another base pack. Ilya Brizgalov, Masked Marvels for the Flyers. Philadelphia. Masked Marvels. Freshman signatures. Vancouver Canucks, Jan Solve. Mirror Red Immortals, for the LA Kings, Luke Robitaille. 118, 199. Robitaille. The last pack. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Max Talbot. Pepper of the game, die cut, national die cut, I guess it is. 21 of 25 for the Flyers. So there we have, guys. Thanks again. Same stuff on for tomorrow night, and I will be uploading the case either tonight or in the morning. Thanks.